Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your SIM and cellular service are active. Voicemail is carrier provided, so this is essential. Once done, make sure iCloud is signed in because visual voicemail stores settings tied to your account. Now unlock your iPhone and open the phone app. Tap the voicemail tab at the bottom. This begins the setup. If you see Setup Now, tap it. If not, you may need to call your carrier voicemail number. Proceed only when the voicemail screen is visible. You will be prompted to create a voicemail password. Choose something secure you'll remember because it controls access. Next, record a custom greeting so callers hear your name or message. Press Save when satisfied. If visual voicemail is supported, messages will appear in the voicemail tab. If you don't see visual voicemail or Setup Now, make sure cellular data is on and call your carrier's voicemail number to complete provisioning. This step often enables the inbox on their. You finish by testing. Call your iPhone from another phone and leave a message, then check the voicemail tab for the new message. If it doesn't appear, toggle cellular data on and off and restart the iPhone. This refreshes visual voicemail provisioning. Make sure your voicemail password is accepted when prompted. If problems persist, contact your carrier to verify voicemail provisioning and network settings. They can reset your voicemail box on their end, which is often the final required step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.